Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined Live Good yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute Live Good tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video.
Going into my first point is mindset, right? I do a whole bunch of little videos on my YouTube channel and Facebook. I talk about mindset all the time. And we all, hear people talk about it, speak about it. So I'm going to repeat it again, most likely, right? Mindset is so important. It's everything. If you don't have the right mindset, you're not going to achieve your goals. I know Talaire was like, I want to motivate y'all, but here's the downer. If you don't got the mindset to achieve your goals, it just ain't going to pop. It ain't going to happen. Right? So whenever it is, especially like with this business, what you guys are doing right now, you guys have an opportunity to do big stuff. You guys have an opportunity to achieve your goals, right? So it's not about that if mentality. That if I'm successful, if I make a sale, if people call me, if people buy more than one thing. No. You have to know you're going to be successful, right? Not if, not wonder. You have to tell yourself, this is going to happen. I know I'm going to be successful. I know I'm going to grow my business, right? If you don't have that, it's over. Like, trust me. Like, when people talk to me, like, I talk to my sister, I'm always like, yo, win. When I hit 20K a month from YouTube, that's right, I said it. When I hit 20,000 a month from YouTube, win. I don't say, man, I really hope, sis. I really hope I can get this. I hope, I'm just going to think about it and cross my, no. It's going to happen. It's going to happen, right? It's going to happen. I know it. I know it's going to happen, right? So you got to ask yourself, when it comes to your goals, do you know you're going to reach your goals? Do you know you're going to reach your goals? Mm-hmm. You know it. Sister? Hello. You know it. My man in the back.
I know it.
With the same name as me.
I know it.
Right? Right?
Yes,
and that is so important. And I live that all the time. And let's be real. We all had those moments, right, where it's like, something happened. Something happened to make you say, and that's fine. That's reality. That's life. You're gonna have setbacks, right? We all do. Something's gonna happen that's gonna throw you off. But it don't really matter if you get thrown off. You know why it doesn't matter if you get thrown off for a minute or something happened in your life? Because you know you're gonna be successful. So when you know, it doesn't matter what pops up in your life. Because at the end of the day, you're going to be successful. You're going to reach your goals.